Let me ask you a quick question. What's the first thing you think about when you hear vehicle theft? The panic, the uncertainty, the hours wasted? Well, what if I told you there's a way to eliminate all of that stress before it even starts? Today, I'm excited to introduce you to LoJack Theft Protection, your ultimate peace of mind on the road. LoJack is a discreet device, seamlessly installed into your vehicle so you won't even know it's there. But trust me, it's doing a lot of heavy lifting behind the scenes to keep your car safe. One of the most powerful features of LoJack is its integration with law enforcement networks across the country. This connection means that if your vehicle is ever stolen, it can be tracked and recovered with remarkable speed. In fact, LoJack boasts a 98% vehicle recovery rate, with most recoveries happening in just 28 minutes. That's practically no downtime at all. Plus, with the LoJack app, you can always know exactly where your vehicle is right from your smartphone. You can check your car's location anytime, anywhere. But that's not all. LoJack also keeps you informed with convenient recall and service notifications, so you're always up to date and in the know about your vehicle's needs. With LoJack Theft Protection, you'll never have to worry about where your vehicle is or what's happening to it ever again. Drive with confidence, knowing LoJack has your back. Want to learn more about the powerful benefits of LoJack? Come visit us at one of our Smith Automotive Group stores, and let's make sure your car is always safe and sound.